Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this bustier pattern, and the first thing I do is to make indications for my padding, and I use the measurements from my nipple point to my under bust point, which mine is 3.5 inches. So I already mark it in this circle cardboard, and then I'm going to be using it to mark my measurement. So when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and add to my basic bodies. So these basic bodies basically stops at my waist, so I added 4 inches length to it. So after adding that 4 inches length, I'm going to go ahead and mark a dart for the down parts. Like the 4 inches I added to it, I'm going to make a dart to it. So I just go ahead and use my bust dart to mark that out. So when I'm done, I'll go ahead and contour this. And the reason why I'm mainly doing the contour is because I want this to fit me perfectly. As you know that no pattern would really fit you unless you do some modification on it. So I went under bust, mark 0.5 inches left and right, and then I connect it to my dart. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go somewhere around the midpoint of my armhole. I want to mark a line directly to my bust point, and then I'm going to do the same thing right and left my shoulder dart. So I took 0.3. You can take 0.5 if you're on the bigger size. So I'm going to mark that out, and then I also contour my neck part using the same 0.3. So when I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and cut my bust dart and then close all of that darts and reshape my bodies. So what I do to get my shoulder space is to mark 1 inches at the side and then 1 inches inside on my shoulder, and then I'll connect both together. When I'm done doing this, I want to go ahead and measure my neck depth. I'm using 7.5 neck depth. You can still go as low as 8 inches. So when I'm done doing that, I went ahead by the side and measure 0.5 inches and connect it down. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I still want the pattern to fit me very well. So I have no seam allowance on this pattern, so I'm just taking that 0.5 off. And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and measure my neck depth, connect it together, close all the contour line, and then I'll go ahead to make the panel that I want. So at the side, I measure 2 inches down, and then on the center front, I measure 2 inches inside and connect it together. So to close all my contour line, I'm going to go ahead and slash my bust dart, and when I'm done doing that, I'll use that to close all my contour lines. Just going to put in how many panels I want, and then I will go ahead and cut it out and focus on the back. So as for the back pattern, I'm just going to go ahead, measure my shoulder space, connect my dart points together, measure my neck depth, and then I'll have 2 panels as well. That's just all what I did, and my pattern is done at this point.